I don't know why. This looks so funny. I just came outside and I threw this treat to my dog. I don't know why. It just looks like he's got a cigar.
Give me my shoe. I know it. That hurts so bad.
Leo, bang. Stay.
No. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. No, 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 no.
Leave it. Pop it. No. Leave. Out. Whoa!
Samuel Andrés. Mamá. Samuel Andrés. Mamá.
Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? Slow down!
Just get on another shuttle.
No. No, what? Don't. I'll come to you. But real quick, I need you to tell this nice man that I'm your daughter. Can you tell him that?
What?
Okay, I'll go school.
This is my ideal dog relationship, though.
Mama let me sit up on the couch, and it was really comfy, so now I'm gonna sit up here forever, and it's my couch now.
You're not going outside again. No. Lay down. Lay down. No. Lay your ass down. Lay down.
Smile.
Can you get my shoes? We're going home. Come on. Time to go home. Don't do that. Come on. Max, give me your paw. Give me your paw. Okay. Zamilamano. Zamilamano. I can't.
So you want to take a bath? You want to take a bath? Say, do you want to take a bath?
Oh, yeah. Oh, shit.
Shut up. You shut up.
Zoom, 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 zoom. I'm zooming in my room. My zoom is on forever. My zoom is all together. Zoom.
Where did you come from? I should know things.
Show me your back.
bad dog. I don't want to see any of these like good boys and good girls sitting for a cookie. Show me that bad.
That's too loud.
Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice.
Oh boy, here we go. She's filming me again. Jeez, it's the third time this morning. This woman really needs a new hobby.
Ollie. Ollie, I'm over here.
What the absolute fuck are you doing? Are you fucking kidding me?
My girlfriend and I, we have it's fine. It's okay. One thing that's funny about that is,
Chega bebezinho. Fala assim com ele não. Ele é bebê. Você é bebê? Você é bebezinho? Eu sou bebezinho, tio.
Oh.
Hey, hey.
I'm so hungry, I could eat a dog.
Bye.
You have to.
Yes! Yes!
Okay, Rosie. You stink and it's time to get a bathie.
Somebody once told me.
Okay. Okay.
I'll give you 3 reasons. 1, she's a female. 2, she's not a boy. And 3, and most importantly, she's a girl!
kick, 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 kick. Pull and
Ready? Sneeze. Bigger. That was weak. Give me a good one. Good job.
No, Munchie!
Dog just having bread? Hello. Hello. Oh my god, okay. No.
You're not happy about something. Is it because I'm sitting down? Is it because I'm ignoring you? I'm not playing with you? What I just played?
What?
Look at it. Going from side to side. What?
What's going to side to
The
side?
dog!
Small bite, okay?
Czy ja jestem posłusznym psem? No w sumie to tak. Posłucham i mam to w dupie.
Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. That one? Is that what you're wanting?
I'll give you 3 reasons. 1, she's a female. 2, she's not a boy. And 3, and most importantly, she's a girl!
Lacey, can you give me paws? Oh, so pretty. I swear to God, if you step on my hair one time, I'm gonna yeet you down that hallway. Riley, let go. That's a bad girl. Riley? Look at her face. Riley!
Here he goes, yay!
Ma'am, please stop resisting. Ma'am, please stop resisting. I'm gonna take this ma'am, I'm gonna take this harness off you now. Ma'am.
Shut down the water lines so that we can, when we do the repair.
Who do we have here? Let me see. Give me paw. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay. Let me wait. Is that your camera smile?
Paisley, Paisley!
Max, this is Ducky. Ducky, this is Max. Y'all could be friends.
No! No! Emby does not like the cows.
Excuse me, sir.
Sometimes I think I'm trying too hard on TikTok. Apparently all you have to do is ask people to push your buttons and maybe they'll push your buttons. Would you like to push all the buttons on this video? Use this sound, I'll push all your buttons. Push.
Oi!
Bang!
You love me?
Oh, she said yes!
Oh my God.
You still restrain horses.
Gonna go for a walk?
No. 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 Walter. Oi. No. No.
Lloyd! Oh my God.
Baby, are you getting it?
Yeah, I got a video of it.
La 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 la. La 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 la.
Whoa. Oh, I just wanna. Whoa.
La 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 la.
Oh.
Get set, go. So much for that run.
Did you do that?
Do you want this pea? Do you want this lemon?
Nope.
¿A dónde vamos, Lodo? Vamos, vamos. El perrito se fue de casa.
You want to go for a walk?